I will give out a handout, two sets of handout actually. So one side set A and another side set B, which have a series of words, a series of anagrams, which you will read the word and try to rephrase the word by using the same letters and same letters and same set numbers of letters in the same words.
You have to use all the letters?
Yes. So just for your info, 1 minute has passed, but please keep on continue until you have done it. But let me know once you've given up. Alright.
Close to give up already.
Yeah, I think that's 3, so.
I just got one.
Okay, so Baiti has 3 now.
Yeah, I got 3.
I got one.
Ian has 3. Rafiq got 1.
No.
Rahman?
Blank.
Rahman no. Blank. So let me know if you're done.
Oh shit.
So 2 minutes has passed, so I'm just going to give you another minute, and then we can end the quiz. After this I can give you, after this we'll share the answer.
Yeah, I think it's one.
Shit, this is a word or no?
Done?
Done?
Yeah.
Finish?
Yeah.
Right. And we have come to an end. 3 minutes already.
That fast.
So okay. So
Done. Okay, we have passed 1 minute. If you plan to give up, let me know. Great. Okay, we have just passed 2 minutes.
Sorry, you must use all.
Yes.
Boleh something ah? What?
We just passed 3 minutes. The maximum is 5 minutes, then we'll stop. Okay, we have last final minute.
I think so, the measurement. But I don't know how to spell. Wait, I go dictionary. One more word.
Okay, go.
I'm looking for words. One word. Measure of area. Hectare.
5 more seconds. Done. Okay.
Okay, if you're ready to start, go ahead. Yep, if you got answers. It does come with a bit of practice once you get your head around it. So some words are easier than others. If you may need to, sometimes it helps to write it out and then jumble the letters a little bit. How are you guys doing? You got a couple already? So we're about one minute in. So 3 out of 5. Same here, 3 out of 5. So if you get stuck for any reason, maybe you can consider jumping to the next one. Maybe it will help you prompt some thinking.
One more?
Done, am I?
Oh, you done already?
I don't know. I don't even know whether this is a word or not.
I think you should need to try again.
right, it's not a word, right?
Yeah.
I haven't come across that.
How's this side getting along?
I just get 3.
Done.
Is that? I don't know.
Done.
Okay. Good. Here? Oh, all right. So you guys actually have two sets of different questions. Yeah. So on the right side is actually progressively harder, but doable. On my left side, actually there was a trick. 4 of the 5 cannot be solved, or not, it's not supposed to be solved. They're supposed to make you stuck and condition yourself in such a way that the last question appears harder.
I see.
Because if you have words like whirl, orange, slapstick, what's the last one? Lawyer, before you reach to claim. Whereas you guys have tap, care, lemon, arches, and claim. So the first 4 words is different, whereas the last word is the same for both. Yeah.
I see. So basically, we have the last 4 and 5 is the same, is it?
Number 5 is the same.
All number 5 is the same.
Yeah, all number 5 is the same.
But their first 4 words are harder.
First 4 words are practically unsolvable.
So that makes it not getting the
So the condition is that you cannot get the easiest one.
Okay.
The last word, there's actually 3 answers. There's actually 3 answers for the last word, so it actually gives you more chance to get the last answer right. So claim can become medical. Most of you got medical. It can be decimal. It can be declaim.
Okay.
Yeah.
So technically, because ours, the first 4 is normal, psychologically we get the 5th one.
Yes.
But for them, it's opposite.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
So it's just a feedback. As in, how do you feel from the experiment? Do you feel that it's easy? Do you think that everyone could have solved it based on your own experience?
I think everyone can solve.
Yeah.
This one. But I take a bit more time because I don't do puzzles. Because I don't play cross puzzles. So
Yep.
I think if people play cross puzzles, it's easier.
Yes, for sure.
Vocabulary.
Yes.
Yep. The English wording that does. Yeah. So if you notice for theirs, right? If you had some practice, which is why it's 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 letters. So it does build that sort of a conditioning.
So it's becoming easy to medium to. Yeah.
Yes.
So what the conclusion of this whole experiment is to study on learned helplessness. So how did you feel what do you think about your words? Was it easy? Was it difficult?
Don't say difficult.
Easier than them.
Mira, Lenny, what do
Only
you
the
think?
number 1 is easy, the rest,
Yeah.
no.
Did you
Okay lah.
Okay, medium.
medium?
But the other side is
Did you feel frustrated or you felt like giving up when you couldn't maybe do first 1 or 2 questions? You felt okay.
because the first one I got it at least.
You felt motivated to do the next one.
Yes.
Okay. Do you think it could be done in 1 day or you think you needed more time?
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
At least.
What do you think about the task, about your words?
Difficult is unfair. Difficult.
It's difficult.
To arrange the word.
Okay. Did you feel frustrated when you couldn't get the first word?
Yes.
So did you feel motivated to go to the next question?
In fact, we try to be creative.
Okay. Very creative lah you. Okay. Did you think it could be done in 1 minute?
No, no.
My intelligence level. But I think if you provide us a refreshment, I think do that a little better.
Exactly.
Set B, only one person by team managed to finish all. Yeah. 4, Rahman? No. Set A, 0. Fanu 0. 1 word. One word.
One word and one is a word or not, I don't know.
So Rafiq has 1 word and 1 word. Don't know. So I'd like to ask you personally, what do you feel? Anybody can just
I know there's no other words for the first 4 words.
So you know that there's no other words for the first 4 words, and you managed to get the final one correct.
Yes.
So Rafiq?
Feel a bit tricked, but try to get all. Didn't aware that it cannot be arranged. So until the last, and then try to make up words.
Okay. You try to make it anyway,
Yeah.
and then you managed to get one answer, which is which is intended anyway for group A. No? What do you think?
Cannot make it because I was pay attention more on the other words. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So the last one I just leave it away.
You just leave it away.
Leave it
Okay.
away.
Baiti, what do you think? Is it like you can, even though you have, so it was supposed to be done in under a minute, but you managed to have it all completed in 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Quite a while, but
Yeah, a few of the words in the immigrants, you know that there is another word for the words, but for the last one, I took a while to search for another word for this one. But yeah, I tried.
But you managed it.
Yeah.
Okay, for the last one. Lian,
I didn't get the last one.
how do you feel about it?
I feel disappointed with myself.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Rahman?
Oh, this the first thing I thought is just you like to challenge only, not seriously. So that's why I keep it at blank.
So my instruction wasn't clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So the instruction wasn't clear.
We didn't know that it was a serious test.
Yeah. So just for your information, so thank you for your participation. We will take this result as part of our study for learn helplessness. So learn helplessness. So for your information, learn helplessness leads to increased feeling of stress and depression for some people. It is linked with PTSD, which is a post-traumatic stress disorder. So there's an article for it which you can take your own time to have a review. But according to the American Psychologists Association, learned helplessness occurs when someone repeatedly faces uncontrollable, stressful situation, then does not exercise control when it becomes available. So they just give up.
Does this tend to go to depression?
Well, this is just a situation that which. It's either I get you like a dog or I do this kind of thing. It's okay, I cannot hurt you guys. So this is a situation where people may come across a first experience, a very hard first experience, and when suddenly a fair and easy challenge comes to it, he just give up to face it. So it's hard for them to manage change within an organization, perhaps. It's hard for them to go through a new boss, a new leadership organization in some manner. Or for some, if they went through each challenges by stages of difficulty, they may have more motivation for them to go through the challenges as it goes harder. Rather than a person who experienced a very hard challenge at the first, then it's hard. And then you would imagine that he would probably imagine that it will be the same for the next one, even though it's easy. So it is a thing actually.